Hello everyone, welcome back. In this part, we're going to cover media queries in CSS. For creating responsive websites, you need to make your websites to change how it shows elements based off the size of your browser. So one of the ways that we learned together was Flexbox. Another way that we can use this is our media queries. So here, let's say we have simple H1 with title inside of it. And then let's say we have some paragraph here with 5 words inside. And then maybe we have some line break and bunch of other words right here. So as you see, this is going to be shown as this is for all of the sizes. But let's say we want to change those based on what size we want. For example, let's say we want our H1 to have some border right here, 1 pixel solid, and we want to make the text to the center when we see it in the large scales. And we have the same thing going on for we can have the same thing going on for our paragraphs too. But let's say we want, when we shrink the page from the large size to the small size, these properties and texts come from left to right. So to do this, we are going to use media queries. And to use media queries, here we type media screen right here. And then we put and here is where we are defining what is our statement which we are going to follow. For example, let's say we want the max width right here. So when we want our max width to be, let's say, 700 pixel, then inside of these curly braces, we're going to give the values that we want. And here we're going to override our CSS. So here, let's say we want our H1 to have its text be from left. Now you see, until 700 pixel, it's going to make the text to the left. But if I pass that 700, you see that it's come to the middle and applying this base thing that we have here. Of course, we can have this for min height. So when we go above 700, it's gonna be, let's say, in the right. Now you see here, because I'm below 700 in the width, this is going to be in the left side. But if I pass to the 700, this is going to be in the right side. And of course, we can change all of the properties that we want. For example, let's say we want this to give the background of red when we pass 700. So when we larger than 700, we get this background right here. And you can scale all of your elements and designs based on this, so you can get your responsive web design.
Please give a like and subscribe to catch next videos.